This package is from Gzila Designs, and these are the 1.75 roof rack mounts for your awning for the FJ Cruiser. So basically, I have the stock FJ Cruiser roof rack, and I just purchased a 270-degree awning to install there. But for the most part, most of the 270 awnings install with a aftermarket roof rack with the platform design, so they mount to that. So this helps me install an awning on the roof rack because of the tubular design. I purchased a pack of 3, so it would be as stable as it could get, but they also have a couple of patches, embroidered patches for your headliner on their website. So if you guys are interested, make sure to check out Gzila Designs. I am not sponsored or anything by them, but I do think that they make a good product. So time for the 270-degree awning. Let's go install that now. So this is the awning right here. As you guys can see, it's a little long for the FJ's trunk. It goes up to the middle console. But this is the 270-degree awning from Openroad, and let me show you guys what came with it. So first of all, it came with the user manual, came with the installation hardware. It comes with your stakes and as well as like your ropes and tie downs, and then it comes with your wires for the lighting. So what I did, as you guys saw, I showed you guys the Gzila brackets. So I will be installing the awning now with the help of a couple friends. I definitely recommend having at least 2 more people to install the awning, because 2 people will hold the awning up and then 1 would be doing the bolting or the screwing in of the mount. So this is the Gzila 1.75 bracket once again, and then this would go to the FJ stock roof rack, and then the bolts for the 270 awning will go in here. So let's go and try and see how this ends up. So as you guys can see, it is now installed. Again, this is Openroad's 270-degree awning with the help of Gzila Design's tubular awning mounts. I just wanted to say, very happy with the customer service from Openroad. I actually, after the installation, the next day I noticed there was a small tear on the rear side by the zipper, and upon sending them the pictures and documentation, they sent me out a replacement bag for the tear. So very thumbs up for the customer service of Openroad. I would say no issues on that side of things. So a good rule of thumb for awnings is that the easier that you could set it up is the more frequent you will be able to use it, and that way you get your money back by how many times you get to use your awning. So let me show you guys how easy it is to get this thing set up and the features, and kind of just run you guys through a demo and kind of review of the product. So there will be 2 zippers over here. I kind of tucked them in this little lip of the bag. As you guys can see, I just put some gaff tape on that tear. That's where the tear is that I showed a photo of. The 2 zippers would be here. You could also leave them in the middle, the 2 zippers in the middle, or you could leave them at front. But for me, I strategically placed them on here because I will show you guys. I just pull it. I pull one of the zippers here. Let me tap the water out a little bit. It's been raining all day, so hopefully I don't get rained on, because apparently there is a strong storm coming. So let me show you guys. It shouldn't be a problem, because as I said, showing you guys how the awning works is super easy and super quick. So unzip the bag, kind of tuck the bag at the back. Go, and then you have 3 straps right here that you just have to unbuckle. These are kind of the wings that come out, and then you just walk around your car. Alright, so because I have the stock FJ Cruiser roof rack, what I did was I added a zip tie here, just a little bit loose, so that I could hook this kind of ratcheting rope on there. I used to hook it to my front driver tire, but that kind of restricts you to get inside your vehicle. If you have an aftermarket roof rack, you should have anchor points on it, but because this bar of the stock FJ Cruiser roof rack is a little thicker than this, I just added that zip tie so I can hook onto it. And this is pretty neat. As you guys see, there's a little bit of slack, and then you can just pull this, and then it becomes tight as it can. And then this is the only thing that I don't like. It's a lot of excess, but it's better to have extra than looking for more when you need it. So it's good to have this. All right, so it is a freestanding awning, but in case it is very windy, you have 3, or I think 4, 4 poles that you could put down. They're just held down by Velcro, so super easy. Take the Velcro out. You just twist this like a telescopic pole, extend it, and then tighten it back by twisting it back like that. So you could take those all out, and then as you can see, we also have 3 lights here that are super bright, and I use this anchor power brick that I bring during camping, and then this is the included wire for the lighting. So as you guys could see, there's 3 male adapters here that you just put into here, attach to each, plug that on there, USB, and then we have 3 modes for the lights. There's amber, there's white, and this is touch. You just need to tap it. Oh, might have got loose. There we go, white. There we go, and then we have a warm setting, kind of like a middle ground for the amber and the white. And this actually has been super great. Let me attach some clips, if I can, hopefully, of a setup that we did during camping. It has been on my vehicle now for a couple weeks. No issues so far. I use it to work outside of the office, camp, and this has been super awesome for the rain, the night. These are very bright at night, and it's been a very awesome purchase for me. Super worth it. Highly recommend. And I do love that this is a little thicker, wider. As you can see, it's a little thicker right here. If it does rain, you have these rings right here that you could just carabiner or hook onto, and then you just want to stake that to the ground so that there will be a flow or channel for the water to drip down. That is also if it's just super heavy rain during a campsite. Most of the time, if it's really raining very strong, I don't think you would want to be camping. So putting it back together is very easy. Kind of just do the same thing in reverse. From there, I kind of put this here, and then you just need to fold this up once, and then you just want to roll this up. Grab the strap. And there's 3. And then just want to pull your bag down back again. And then just zip back up all the way. And then I tuck, like I said, my zipper's over here. There you go. Again, overall, super happy about this purchase. Highly recommend this Openroad product. If you guys are interested in purchasing, I have a link down below that would greatly help the channel if you guys purchase through the link. Again, very happy with Openroad's customer service. Like I said, they did send me a replacement bag that I have not installed yet because of the small tear. But again, very happy, super easy to do, super easy to install, super easy to set up as well. And it has already served its purpose, and for me, I already got my money back just because how easy it was to use. And I even used it during a rainy camping night. So to me, money well spent. And that is it, folks. That is our review for Openroad's 270-degree awning. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed yet, I would appreciate you subscribing. This would help me out and kind of give me an affirmation that what I'm doing is right and that you guys enjoy my videos. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. As always, keep innovating and stay hungry, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.